This is going to be a real quick video here. It's Friday. I cleaned up both ends of the connecting links for the shock absorbers. And anybody that has a Chevy G506 with these kind of links, find my email and contact me if you want your connecting links rebuilt. I will do it for free because I don't want to just let this polyurethane rubber go to waste. I used very little. In yesterday's video I made a mistake and said that they were 3 pounds in each one. Actually, each container only holds a pound. And I have the parting wax, the pigment. I have a lot left. I just don't want it to go to waste. I love the Chevys. I'm gonna show you a little bit more here. So I'll set that down. Today I'm gonna get a gimbal ordered. Viewer named John's Wick suggested, and it's been a long time coming, and I appreciate everybody's patience and tolerance for the jiggly wobble, whatever. But like I said, the parting wax was just so that this portion, the end portion, could turn. When I first took these out, or unwrapped them and cleaned them up, and tried to bend this arm in a perpendicular manner, I can't. So all of the force of these connecting rods is up and down, and then the ends just have to turn just a little bit, which they do. Let's see if we can see that. Yep. And that's all that's needed, because they're only going to move maybe under normal operations on a hard paved road. They're only going to move up and down maybe an inch to an inch and a half. The real test is going to be after time to see how this urethane wears. I suspect it's going to be a while before it wears out, so I'm going to tape up the ends here, prime them, and paint them again. So that's it for the connecting rod links. Thanks for watching.